Uh-oh. Oopsie. Is it hot, you mean? So you want them to dig the stone here?
Cannot, Mommy. How can they dig? Because
Well,
just a
why
paper.
you say it's under?
Yeah, it is under. But how can they dig? Because there's no people here standing.
Then how? So that.
Okay, I'll draw people then.
Okay.
Draw people. Where's that brown? Draw people then.
Okay, this is the first time I see you draw people. Are you drawing stickman?
No, I'm drawing people. Digging.
Is this a girl or boy?
Boy.
Okay.
And then here's the thing to dig. Digging. Sticky.
Okay.
A little bit only, that's all.
Why do you want it to be purple?
A little bit purple because it's almost going to rise the sun.
Oh, okay. Go. Be gentle. Don't mix, my dear.
I'm sorry. Sorry, teacher.
Okay, don't do it again. Be gentle.